Bumili na kayo talaga. Pinabasa ako eh. Sino ba yung nanghingi ng ticket? Nanghingi ng tulong for ticket. Gusto niyo? Sige, pwede naman ako magbigay.
Gusto niya po manood. And gusto ko rin na manood siya. Gusto ko manood po lahat. So, thank you so much po.
So, feeling ko po, pagbigyan nyo na po kasi feeling ko deserve naman. And feeling ko kasi it's not just a want, it's a need. It's a need. It's good for the mind, body, heart, and soul. And kasi, the youth is the future of tomorrow. So, to make them the future of tomorrow, they have to be happy. They need to be happy. And sabi ng anak niyo po, magiging happy po siya. So,
Yes! Malulod ako. Wala akong ticket pala. Shout out, Mayor. Tingin ticket.
Yung mga... Katsing, ubos.